Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: verified account, bank app, and 2FA. Open your bank or payment app now and go straight to the payments or QR section. Don't detour. Choose Create QR or Link QR immediately and pick Receive Payments. When prompted, select the exact bank account you want to credit and confirm identity with PIN or biometrics. Once done, set a default account and a transaction limit. This starts the secure process of binding QR to your bank details. Now focus on the middle steps. Choose static QR for a fixed account or dynamic QR if you need per transaction amounts or invoices. Fill the display name and optional description so payers recognize you, then set settlement frequency and per transaction limits to control exposure. When the app asks for authorization, approve with OTP or PIN, and use biometric confirmation if available. Make sure the permissions explicitly allow deposits to your chosen account. This prevents misrouting and completes the core linking. Finish by testing the QR. Scan it with a different phone and make a small payment to confirm funds land in the selected account. Once done, verify settlement notifications and account statements. If anything goes wrong, first check account number, IFSC or routing and settlement settings. Make sure permissions were granted. If problems persist, capture the transaction ID, revoke the QR link and relink after correcting details, and contact bank support for trace and reversal. This solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.